Good morning. Good morning. My name is William Parra. I am 41 years old. I am a student of psychology. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I live in Bogota. My hobby is run. My family. My family is composed by my mother and two brothers. My mother. My mother is Constanza. She is 62 years old. She is She is a nurse. She is from Bogota, Colombia. My mother is a good person. Mm, she is thin. Her eyes are brown. My younger brother is Sebastian. He is 30 years old. He is Beats. He is from Bogota, Colombia. My brother is good person. He is 10. Her eyes are brown. And her is brown. My other brother is Fabian. He is 36 years old. He is installed office driver. He is from Bogota, Colombia. My brother is bad tempered. He is 10. His eyes are dark. And he is bald. My father died 3 years ago. Thank you.